So when I owned my waterproofing company in Chicago, as a business owner, things could be stressful. I had a brother-in-law that said like, man, your job is like the stock market. Like you're either thriving or you're like, nervous as heck. Sometimes things would happen. And as an owner, it sometimes felt like the world's like caving in on you. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is nuts. Like, how am I going to get out of this? But then you work through it and then you look back and you improve your systems and you make sure that never happens again and you make right whatever had to be done right. And you're a better company because of it. And only really, veterans, people who've been in the business a long time can point to different scenarios like that. Can you think of a time in your ownership career where you thought like, oh, this is a mess or this is a nightmare, and it actually you worked it out and it turned out to be, a better situation in the long run?
Well, I would have to say it's more perseverance in my opinion. You know, over the time and that we've been in business, we've had smaller companies and come and go, and bigger companies come and go, and we've stuck around through perseverance. One of the other downfalls is you get a heavy rain and you start getting all these other little companies that just pop out of nowhere and want to do waterproofing and they never do anything right, and then we always have to go back and redo what they've done. But then there's the times where you have your droughts, which is where we're in right now. And New York State is in a drought, has been for about a year. And, those are the trying times when we see those other companies just go away. But with our business here in New York, with the foundation repair, you know, we are also having a, a bunch of different options that we can do while we're in those times and seasons. We can do crawl space encapsulations, we can lift houses, we can not right now, but in the other times of the year when we have the droughts, we can deal with the concrete lifting a little more. So there's a bunch of different things that we use to work in those down times when it's not as nice, when it's 10, 12 inches of rain like we got 2 years ago.